Hi, I'm Ankita Kashyap. So before coming to IIM Shillong, I graduated from KIIT in the field of computer science and engineering. Post that, I worked at Dell for 22 months. Last summer, I had the opportunity to intern at Pidilite in the sales and marketing domain. And my basic role and responsibility was to identify the drivers of sale for their products in the emerging India market and to suggest improvements for the same. So speaking about the things that I personally looked at before applying for the SIP, three things majorly. Firstly, the domain. Any domain that would be of my interest, that was the one I applied for. Secondly, was the job description. Basically, just to get an idea of the learning opportunities that I might possibly have there. And thirdly, for me, it was the brand. I always wanted to be part of a company that had a legacy. So these were the three things that I considered before applying for the SIP. So speaking about the process for Pidilite, it started with a CV shortlisting, followed by a group discussion and the technical and the HR interview rounds. When I was there, there were basically two major milestones. One was the mid-review and the other one was the final review. Post which there was a PPI, and the shortlisted ones got a PPO. So the process was pretty simple that way. Speaking of a regular day at during my internship, I think it was basically three sections. My day usually started with meeting my team and my manager and updating them about the progress that I had over the previous day. The rest of the day actually depended on whatever is the agenda for the day. So it could vary between speaking to customers, retailers, and other stakeholders to actually just working by myself on data. My day ended again with updating my team about whatever I had done during the day and setting up the agenda for the next day. So those were the basic three classifications for the day. So talking about the biggest hurdle I had during my internship, it was basically that the entire process of it was online. We did our internships virtually, and for anyone who's been associated with Pidilite or even the sales and marketing domain would know that the field visits are irreplaceable. So for me, I think the biggest hurdle would be to collect all the primary data that I had to over the telephone or other mediums, and to collect an equally comparable quality of data that I would have got from an offline field visit. So the entire virtual process just made it a little more difficult. So speaking about the preparation for the SIPs, I think for me, majorly, I always tried to explore enough of what actually interested me, where I wanted to give my 100%. So once you've identified the domain of your interests, what would be a good idea is to familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of that domain. Another thing that goes a long way, I think, is to speak to people who've already interned in the organizations that interest you or the domain that interests you. Just getting an idea, speaking to them, getting to know the different kind of roles that companies offer, I think will go a long way in helping for your SIP.